Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update and the settings will just not load or it's a blank space, something went wrong, try to reopen settings later. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to troubleshoot Windows Update. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, so under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, so ang next step, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung run, so click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And dito lang sa services and services local, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung update orchestrator service. So scroll down lang tayo, and then hanapin natin dito yung update orchestrator service, and then ito na siya. So ang next step, so i-select mo lang yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang update orchestrator service properties. So dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so another solution na pwede natin gawin after dito sa services, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na dsm space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then copy lang natin yan. And next step, so dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter, at makikita mo na dito na deployment, image and servicing, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, there's a process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete, and next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later in Windows Update. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.